See, as an artist, you go through phases, from certainty to doubt, from growth to stagnant places. Adding more beauty to a world that desperately needs it can be a shell in a padded room, or no one can hear it. When you're drawing, think about the art you create and the process. Immerse yourself in the story that your artwork represents. In this kind of drawing, use a positive stimulation, but not to push hard on yourself. Start out having a lot of patience, and your style will develop in that direction naturally. Your patience got better once you understood that it's actually one of the strongest suits and that it really pays off in the end. We gain patience by practicing patience. If you normally work until a certain point and then get impatient and pause it right away, force yourself to work for longer. Take a short break. Come back and work for another hour or less or more depending on how much time you usually spend on a drawing. When you get used to that amount of time, increase it. The only time you produce unsatisfying art result is when you know you didn't try or give 100%. You should be proud of your artwork because that was your 100%. In this drawing, it is important for me to make sure that I pay attention to details, to every little details.